This is Dale Mathis, Mills Ford, Brainerd Baxter. Today we're going to talk about the certified pre-owned 2015 Explorer XLT. It's about 33,000 miles. Being certified goes through 172-point inspection to our shop pad. Meets all Ford's criteria, like brakes got to be half or more, tires got to be half or more, stuff on there. So, then also with that being certified, extends the warranty, gives an extra 12 months, 12,000 miles, limited comprehensive warranty on it, and extends the powertrain out to 7 years, 100,000 miles. So that's already with it, goes with it. One thing nice about the Fords, they got a keypad on the outside here, found in there. Customize this, your own 5-digit code. Punch in your 5-digit numbers, opens up the doors for you or in. You don't have to worry about locking the keys in the vehicle or if the keys falling in the water when you're on a boat or anything like that. This one here has got a remote start on the vehicle and stuff on there. Nice, keeps you warm. Guess what? Winter's right around the corner. The all-wheel drive system on this kicks in automatically. On there. Nothing else. It has a range management system on it. You can do it for snow, ice, mud, stuff on it. Works out very well and stuff on there. Also has a power lift gate in the back and stuff on there. Explorers all come with the third row seat. As you can see, you can have it up, you can have it down, stuff on there. You have the space down if you want. Second row goes down flat too as well, in case you got to haul something once in a while. You can take advantage of all the multi-positions that the Ford Explorer offers to you. Come down and check out the Ford Explorers and any other vehicles we got. Your biggest challenge you can be finding vehicles actually narrowed down to one. This is Dale Mathis, Mills Ford, and Brainerd Baxter. Look forward to meeting with you.